In order to get started with the DSV Google Apps, you point your browser at apps.dsv.su.se. You will then come to the login page for all of DSV's services. You enter your username and password, and you will be directed to the DSV Google Apps start page. Here you will find a number of services that Google Apps will provide. For example, a calendar, document management, Gmail, web-based mail client, image editing on the web, and so on. If you're familiar with these services, you can just go ahead and start using them right away. If you are not familiar with these, it's a good idea to have a look at these getting started videos. These are typically a couple of minutes each, and they will give you an overview of what kind of capabilities that Google Apps services can provide for you. It will take roughly half an hour or so to browse through all of them. When you have done this, you can return to the start page. And another issue to consider here is whether you should use Gmail for Google Apps or not. As you can see here, I myself not using Gmail for Google Apps. Instead, I'm using Gmail for my personal Google account. But there are some advantages in using Gmail for Google Apps. In particular, if you're using DSV Google Apps a lot, then you will have advantages in using the integration that Gmail for Apps provides with all of the other services. So it can be worthwhile to consider whether to use Gmail for Apps or not. If you would like to use Gmail for Apps, you can just go to the DSV homepage and forward your mail to Gmail. Okay, when you have done this, you can move to any of these services and test them out. Some of them are very easy to get started with, for example, calendar. So let us just have a look at that one. You will also see that when you have become a bit more familiar with this interface, you will find that all services are available from the top left bar here. Here are the most commonly used ones, and here are the rest. So typically you will after a while not return very often to the DSV Google Apps start page.